Cooking with Kayla, cooking with Kayla, cooking with Kayla, cooking with Kayla. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl K Slay, and I'm back with another video, with another video. All right, y'all. So I'm about to start cooking. And so right now I got my dishwasher going. I'm about to put these dishes up. And then, okay, y'all. So on the menu today, is going to be baked chicken, yellow rice, cornbread, and green beans. So excited. So I'm gonna just put my chicken in here. It's so hard trying to do a cooking video and there's with some other stuff. Jaden on the gang. Kason in the living room doing something. Callie, I think she on the gang too. What you doing?
Okay. Stop calling me. I'm coming.
This is how our chicken looks. I got to put some olive oil in it. Oh, excuse me. And then we're gonna mix this all up. Rest of it here. They be doing a rush job on these peppers. I buy them pre-cooked. I usually don't, but just to save time, I bought them pre-cooked this time. And Casey, stop. Casey, go in the room with Daddy. Okay, y'all, this is how the chicken looks. We're about to cover this in foil and put it in the oven. And moving on to the green beans, since I have the seasonings out, we're gonna move on to the green beans. Then we're gonna do the cornbread and the rice, and we're gonna be done. Let's get it. Okay, on to the green beans. My thing is broke, so I gotta do it like this. Here's the green beans. Yeah. So this is how the green beans look. This is how the rice is so far. Gotta bring that to a boil. Chicken is in the oven. So I'm about to get started on my, and that's it. And then we'll come back when everything is done. I'm kind of sad that I only got this short tripod, so I really can't get the angles like I really want to. So my next cooking video is gonna be way better than this, but as of right now, this is all I have. Oh, excuse me. As of right now, this is all I have right now, so yeah, I'm gonna have to see about getting another tripod because this not gonna work. All right, I will see y'all back later. It's a little runny, y'all, because I need to start measuring. Got my green beans simmering. Got my rice simmering. And the other two in the oven now. Alright. Now we shall wait and see. I'm gonna have my family rated 1 through 10. They better not be doing too much. But we gonna come back when we put in the gravy on the chicken. Alright, the food is done. Period. K-Slay.